This is Eli with AMS Landscaping out of Phoenix, Arizona, and we are going to show you how to thin out a yucca shrub. Now, yuccas don't always need thinned out. This is a particular backyard here at this client's home that wants to get it thinned out just so it's cleaner looking, and they're in the backyard more and they get poked by it sometimes. But if you really have room to allow these to grow, it's great to let them grow. But if you want them skinned up, we're going to show you exactly how to do it. All right, so this is the yucca. I'm going to show you a little bit more up close. We're going to go through and actually pull all of these branches off one at a time to kind of thin it out so that it kind of, cleans it up a little bit. We have a nest up in this one, so we got to be a little careful. We're actually going to remove some of these smaller ones just because it gets so dense on the inside. It's a good way to manage these yuccas if you're trying to clean them up at your home. Now here's mostly the completed project here. We left quite a bit for the nest for the client. The client wanted to keep the nest safe, and they wanted to keep some privacy from their neighbors, just block the house behind them, but they wanted it cleaned up down below, and you can see how it's nice and skinned for the most part. And we removed a lot of the babies here at the bottom just to clean it up so it wasn't so tight and dense in the middle. Once again, this is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping out of Phoenix, Arizona. If you have questions or would like to get this service done over at your home, feel free to reach out to us at our website at azlawns.com. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and our Facebook page at AMS Landscaping. Check us out on Twitter and Instagram at AZ Lawns. Make it a great day.